in his
Doesn't want
fist.
to go back.
Round 1.
The Afghanistan boxer is spiritedly trying to come forward, and
I mean, I wouldn't blame Afghan boxer if he, showcasing a little bit of apprehensiveness, little leafiness, because having seen that devastating knockout blow, I mean, who wants to move forward and eat something similar? Mujtaba looks like a boxer who's got decent work rate. Keep marching forward, Asad Bek, searching for a good angle to deliver a few devastating blows.
at the moment the Afghanistan boxer seems content to be led. Of course, he's going forward and trying to throw a few blows.
Stop! Red. Head up. Box!
I'm not surprised at all. The body language says the story.
Yeah.
He's staying away from heavy punches.
The Afghanistan boxer shows capability of
Good work rate.
heavy
You said it right.
blows,
Good work rate.
but depends on how effectively he can unleash them.
He's lining him up. Asad Bek, he's lining him up, loading that right
Stop!
arm.
Holding. Box!
He's got devastating power. Working the left jab, touches the body just like that. Now upstairs, missing it.
Stop!
That's the one. That's the one I've spoken about. Partially landed, though.
Yeah, and let's see. First count. So there's a follow-up.
Another one landed upstairs. It's getting tougher and tougher as we're closing in to the end of the first round. Another straight right, gets it through, going for a body blow.
The Afghan has survived the first round.
Definitely did.
Let's see how he.
All but one-sided.
Yes.
Judges scored in favor of Asad Bek, representing Kazakhstan. Outstanding work rate. That count also worked in his favor. He looks very youthful. I mean, looks like another boxer. Kazakhstani boxing administration, their coaching staff grooming to meet the world challenges. Look at the work rate.
As you would have seen in that slow motion, he got the right hook over
Seconds
the
out.
left arm of the Afghan boxer.
What's your call? An early end?
Possible. Let's see now.
Box!
Round 2.
Box as the call. Afghan boxer comparatively pressing forward in comparison to the first round. Mujtaba trying to get flurry of punches with no real conviction or accuracy.
Holding blue. Red holding.
Asad Bek trying to line him up, and Kazakh boxer
Red.
Mujtaba making it very, very tough.
Red is indulging in holding and prevents blue from boxing.
He only worried about protecting his upper parts, just like that.
Holding red. Red holding.
Now he's starting to lean down. Oh, good combination there for Asad Bek.
Get up, red.
Left, working well.
Holding red.
Closes the distance.
Holding red. Stop. Red. Holding. Box.
Well,
He
he's
marches forward with no real conviction, I can tell you. He's looking at Asad Bek's right fist and trying to avoid that to his best ability.
Holding red. Red holding. Stop.
I think there could be a warning
Holding. Box.
very soon.
Oh, powerful body. Another left. And the combination. He moves like a true champion, I can tell you. No misses.
Anyway, the Afghan has survived.
Box.
Just about to survive
The
the
second
second
round.
consecutive round. We've been speaking about survival.
Yeah,
That's about it.
yeah, I suppose for him that's all he can hope for.
Trying to work the lower body. And there goes the power.
Holding red. Stop. Red. Red. Holding. Box.
And another caution. Surprising that he's not getting warned.
Holding red.
Yeah, another
Stop.
holding again.
Referee just maybe a little lenient as we close us in.
That time he's given a warning.
Holding.
Ah,
Box.
spoken like a true judge. There,
I expected it to come a little earlier, but anyway,
exactly. So that's the completion of round number 2. Afghan
Yes,
boxers
he has
surviving.
survived. He has survived 2 rounds.
All judges scoring in favor of Asad Bek. Effortless body blows. And immediately moving away from dangerous punches. Lovely work rate. You know, they almost look like they built for boxing.
Anyway, quite traitable for the Afghans. I mean,
Seconds
to
out.
come to these championships and at least
Reaching the gold medal
survive,
bout
yeah,
and
survive.
reaching 3 rounds against a
Yes.
strong performer.
Round
yes. So I
3.
think that is great credit to them.
It's just
Maybe he can
He's
develop
just under
further.
3 minutes away.
Yes.
Red holding. Stop. Red. 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 Holding.
Asad Bek understandably slowed down, spending so much of energy.
Holding red.
And once again,
Red.
Mujtaba
Red. Red.
going for the clinch.
Holding.
Already
Box.
a point being deducted.
It's possible that he'll have another warning if he persists there again. It's very blatantly he's holding.
Stop.
Absolutely, there's
I
no
I
point.
think he should warn him
Box.
without cautioning him again.
Stop. Stop.
Yeah, he's going for a wrestling bout.
Yeah, apparently.
This is not boxing.
Stop. 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 Don't turn around. Don't turn around. Box.
The referee's a
Just
bit
maybe
lenient.
with the hope of surviving the third round. There you go, holding his
Stop.
left arm very, very firmly underneath the armpit.
I'm surprised that he's not got another second warning for this
Red
there
holding.
again.
Red holding. Stop. Red. Red. No holding.
He's not listening to what the judge has to say, what
Yeah,
the
because
ref
he's
has to
not-
say.
He's not warning him, so he's continuing
He
to
keep doing that.
keep doing it because he knows he can get away with a caution.
Box. Holding red. Stop.
My goodness, this is absurd.
Don't fold it. Box.
How many cautions does he want to give for the same offense?
Stop.
There has to be consistency.
Yeah, and after a warning, you don't give.
Warning. Hold it.
She's
Warning.
given the second warning.
Please, please.
Third warning, of course, he'll be disqualified. Of course, there's a school of thought that, like, I mean, if you are disqualified in the final, you don't get the silver medal. I think there's some rule
this
like
is-
that.
This
There
is
used
too
to
much.
be a
This
rule
is too
like that.
much. I mean,
Box.
the ref is being
Very lenient.
way too lenient.
Yeah, I suppose he wants him to survive and keep the silver medal.
Just maybe.
Stop. Stop. Red. 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 Get up. Box.
Referee perhaps
Oh,
want to make it
oh.
look like a real bout, but it
Yeah.
wasn't. All but one-sided, and
Good. No.
it's basically
Box. Stop.
looking to fight a wrestling bout more
Yeah.
than a boxing bout.
The Kazakhstani, of course, knows that he is far ahead, so he didn't bother too much about all these infringements and all that, because he obviously knows he's well ahead.
The very, very lethargic penultimate bout. I mean, you enters the ring to, go for clean boxing bout. Afghan fighter enters the ring with the intention of not getting hit and survive 3 rounds, which he did.
The winner of this bout on points by unanimous decision is the boxer from the blue corner, Asatbek Soldarskan, representing Kazakhstan.
It's been all too easy for this young man from Kazakhstan. Take a look at the scores, 23-25.